What is up, everybody? It's Campin' Randy here, campinrandy.com. Wanted to let you guys know I see all the comments on all the videos. I have just been so busy, I can't get to all of them. Wanted to let you know I'm going through them. I'm trying to respond to everybody. If you guys need quick answers and quick responses, please email me at the below right here or text me below right here so that I can get your questions answered as quick as possible. Again, the comments on YouTube, I love all of them. I just don't have time to answer everybody. I try my best. However, I'm just too busy, I guess, with life in general. And I greatly appreciate all the comments that you guys put down in there. Much appreciated. You guys have a great week. Always enjoy the adventures.